Hi guys, Steph here. Right, okay, so we've got a pen haul. Now, this is not from one particular venue or source. It's getting harder and harder to find pens. This is accumulation. There's not a lot here, but an accumulation of many trips to different places, some antique centres, some dealers, etc., etc. And I must admit, I'm getting a little bit despondent because the more I look, it seems the less I'm actually finding. But there you go. Let's sort of keep going if we can. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, it's getting harder and harder. So without further ado, let's show you these pens here. These are the box ones. Let's start straight at the front here. So what have we got to the front? If I can open them. There we go. We've got a nice Waterman. I forget which particular model it is, but it's in lovely condition, unused. And don't forget, people, like all the reviews, if there's anything of interest, you know what to do. Get in touch. We've got a Sheaffer here. There we go. Another Sheaffer. I forget what particular model it is. There you go. It's got the sort of rounded nib, if you like. I'm not with it this morning. So we've got a Sheaffer pen there. Maybe, is it a Prelude? No, it's not Prelude. But I forget offhand. Another, well, this is, I know it's a Sheaffer. And there we go. Now this one, the nice thing about it, this is the Snorkel. Once again, I forget, is it a Clipper? Can't quite remember. Okay, but the nice thing about this one, if I take out the Snorkel, look at that. This is the one with the gold snorkel. Okay, so it's a very early one. And the earlier times, for you people that don't know, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's restore it and come back to it. But yeah, very interesting. A gold snorkel tube. This is just an empty box. Sometimes I pick up these boxes because they do come in handy for, yeah, you know, when I want to put a specific pen in the box. Another box here. This is a Parker, I think. Let's open it up. What we got here? Oh, it's a nice pencil. Oh, look at that. Still got the original chalk mark. I'm trying to look over the carpet. Sorry, there we go. A Parker 51. Still got the original chalk mark. So I know there's people out there that are looking for Parker 51 pens. This one, well, one of the more interesting pens in my opinion. I quite like the Onoto pens. So what we've got... No, we're not going to show it to you at this moment. What is a pen haul without a little tease? So what we'll do, we'll restore it and we'll do a review on it. Yes, you know I like to tease you people. What we got here? A Phillies in green, a Waterman. Yeah, there it is. A nice pen. A little bit on the modern side for me. There you go. It's a lovely two-tone nib. Anybody likes these particular pens? The modern ones. This one doesn't appear to have ever been inked. So you know what to do. Get in touch. What we got here? We've got a Parker. And if we take it out. Oh yeah, I remember this one. There you go. Look at that. A lovely burgundy. And this one is the Parker Dufold Senior. And as I've said in a lot of my videos, these are absolutely superb. everyday writer pens. Once they've been serviced, restored, they'll last you for many, many years to come. And as you can see, it comes with the original instructions, comes in a Parker box as well. So, very nice indeed. And last but not least, there we go. There you go. It does what it says on the tin. And have we got any markings for you? There we go. We've got a StarWalker metal and a rubber. So, a nice Montblanc. Let's show you that it comes with a service book. It's been fully stamped, as you can see there. So 2010. So how do we date the pen? 2010. And look at that. A lovely Montblanc StarWalker. Okay, in this what they term as metal and rubber. There you go. It's got the Montblanc logo to the very top in this sort of, well, it looks like a perspex. I'm not too sure exactly what it is. It's got the chrome clip there, the very recognisable Montblanc clip. And this one, well, unfortunately or fortunately, is a roller ball, or is it a ballpoint? Let me have a look at the box again. Oh, BP. So it's a ballpoint pen, but a lovely pen. A little bit on the heavy side, but very nice indeed, in absolutely lovely condition. So there we have it for you people that have not actually seen one before. A Montblanc StarWalker. It's got Montblanc to the very top there, as you can see. In very nice condition. In fact, I don't think it's ever been used. Again, with the original papers, original box, it's in very, very nice condition. And I'm afraid that is it. That's the box ones. As I say, it's getting harder and harder. What I'll do, I'm going to leave this as part one. We're going to do a short video for a change, and I'll do another video. There's not a lot on the loose pens as well, so you can have a look at them as well. But as I said, anything of interest, you know what to do. Get in touch below. Don't be shy. Leave a comment below as well if you will. Give the video a thumbs up as well. And don't forget to subscribe. But for now, from these lovely pens, I'd just like to say Slava Ukraini from me. Bye-bye for now.